There comes a moment when the struggle is over and everything grows still. The questions stop, the effort fades, and what once felt uncertain begins to feel complete. Man is forever asking, how can I know it is working? He looks for signs, for something outside himself to tell him the law has begun to move. But the world does not move first. The movement begins in you. He counts the numbers and calls them signs, listens to the wind and calls it guidance, blind to the truth that every echo only answers his own assumption. He names each coincidence a sign, searching the shadows for assurance, instead of resting in the certainty within. Yet all he calls proof is but the reflection of what he has already accepted as true. Listen carefully. Signs follow. They do not precede. The outer world moves only after you have moved in consciousness. When you have imagined a scene that implies your wish fulfilled and have felt it real, a steady assurance arises. You no longer need to check. The search ends, for you have found rest in knowing it is done. In the story of Jacob resting with the angel, we find the mystery of creation. When satisfaction is reached, impotence follows. When the feeling of reality is yours, the desire to repeat the act is gone, replaced by fulfillment. You cannot want what you already have. When imagination is felt to the point of ecstasy, the act is complete. If, however, you do not reach the point of satisfaction, repeat the action over and over again until you feel as though you touched it and virtue went out of you. It may come unannounced, while washing a cup or crossing a street, a sudden joy, an effortless calm. Though nothing appears to move, the world is already shifting to mirror your assumption. A word overheard, a face met, a door opened. Everything unfolds in perfect order, so naturally you may forget you once imagined it. These are the signs that follow, not to assure you it will come, but to show it had already begun. Do not seek signs in the sky or count numbers on the clock. The true sign is your peace. The true proof is the end of striving. When that inner ease appears, you have entered the Sabbath, the sacred rest after creation. Do not check the ground. The seed contains its own law of fulfillment. And when the sign appears, you will remember, I felt this long before it came. Peace was never the result. It was the Word made flesh. Be the amen of your own prayer. Stand where God stands. It is finished. For the world has no will but yours, and it moves because you have spoken.